My name is Maggi. I am studying class 3rd in KENDRIYA VIDYALAYA CHIRIMIRI. This is my MDP. MDP topic is water. Recent MDP exam 2022-23. Index MDP subject EVS English, Hindi, Mathematics. EVS. These are EVS questions guided by Mr. Arvind Yadav sir, our class teacher. Water cycle. This is water cycle picture. Answer number 1. Water cycle. Float, sip. Answer number 2. Water habitats. These are pictures of water habitats. Answer number 3. Save water for. This is picture of save water. English. These are question of English guided by Mr. Subodh Kumar Dhirhe sir. Answer number 1. Story of water conservation. Answer number 2. Rainwater harvesting. This is picture of rainwater harvesting. Answer number 3. We need water to live. हिंदी. यह हिंदी के प्रश्न हैं. मार्गदर्शक श्री अनुज कुमार सर. उत्तर क्रमांक 1. पानी का महत्व. उत्तर क्रमांक 2. पानी पर 5 मुहावरे. पानी पर 5 कहावतें. उत्तर क्रमांक 3. पानी बचाओ पर स्लोगन. Mathematics. These are question of mathematics guided by Mr. Subodh Kumar Dhirhe sir. Answer number 1. Measuring capacity of different containers. Answer number 2. Making water bottle with marking of 100 ml, 200 ml, 500 ml and 1 liter. Answer number 3. Experiment with changing shape of water. Thank you notes for guided teachers. Thank you, sir. Thank you, friends.